can you tell us what we're gonna do?
Open the package.
The big package. We got a huge package from...
Tahiti.
Yeah, from Xantrex. It came to Tahiti. And now we're finally gonna open it to see what's inside.
This is seashell.
Whoa! What's your name?
Yeah.
Leo. And my name is Chris, and I have my lovely wife Stephanie behind the camera. We have been sailing for 3 years, and Xantrex sent us a new inverter charger and a remote control panel. Our old one is really not working that well, so we're really looking forward to install this. And now we're gonna see what's inside the box. Manuals.
Nails.
This is what we wanted. Exciting. All right, so we're back. So we've made some adjustments since the previous clips, and now we're gonna talk about the actual contents and what we get inside the box when we buy an inverter charger from Xantrex. So this is the Freedom XC2000. So it's a 2000 watt inverter and an 80 amp charger. You can open it up here to access the connections and the 220 connections when you make the installation. And then you have the buttons on the front and a grounding plug on the side. Included in the package, you also get some extra warning labels. You get the instruction manual, and this one I think is crucial. Have a read through it before you start the installation. We're currently in French Polynesia, so we've had to plan out the installation very carefully before we get started, because running to the hardware store is not really an easy option. So for us it's been really important to read through this one, make sure we have everything we need, and then we're going to start the installation. We also get some cable buses in case we're going to use big 12 volt cables. We have these ones as well. We also have the Freedom X remote panel, which connects to the inverter charger so we can access it remotely. Included in the box we have some mounting templates to make mounting a little bit easier. We have a small instruction manual. We have a 25-foot cable. We went for the 25-foot one. There's also an option to get a 50-foot cable if you want to put the inverter charger and the remote panel really far away. We also have the actual remote panel, which looks like this. And you have the connections on the back and the buttons on the front. To make the installation happen, we're also going to need some really thick 12 volt cables. These are not included in the package, and depending on how your installation looks beforehand, you might or you might not need these. For us, we're stepping up in size a lot, so we needed some thicker 12 volt cables to supply the electricity. We're also going to need some more fuses, and we're going to need some more 220 cable in order to make the connections happen. For the 220 part, I really recommend to talk to your local electrician to make sure your installation is up to code and you're following local regulations for wherever you are. In this video, we've talked about what we get in the box when we order an inverter charger from Xantrex, and for the remote panel that goes to the inverter charger. In the next video, we're going to look at the installation and how the installation is made. And in our last video, we're going to look at the function and how everything works. Hopefully you're going to see us actually using the inverter to see what information we can get from the inverter charger and what we can get from the remote panel and how everything works together. All right, stay tuned.